Good morning, traders. So how do we trade the DAX this morning? I think the key thing to bear in mind here, looking at the weekly, we have closed below the 200 moving average. Okay, so this could be setting up for this head and shoulders to play out. So the head and shoulders neckline is pretty much right over there, and you can see we've 1, 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and we've failed to get back above the headline, the neckline. Now this is starting to look like a turn. What I don't like about this, though, just move this across, is these tails. Okay, so we've got a number of tails here. Tails to top, tails to bottom, a lot of indecision. We have had a crossover the moving averages as well, which also leads us to believe that this could very well be some kind of a, how do I put it, consolidation. You've got this inside bar, you've got indecision, you've got a pin bar, you've got another pin bar. So I would actually look, we can actually use the high of Friday as our level. But every time we come down to these levels, you can see we tend to be rallying a bit. And then the next thing that we need to pay attention to here is, this could be some kind of a flag. Could be. I'm not 100% convinced. There's nothing really here that is standing out. If we look at the 4 hour, look at all these tails, top and bottom, top and bottom, top and bottom. Moving averages crossed over, pointing to the downside. Pin bar. There's just so much going on here. But the thing is, we are creating lower lows. See, lower lows, we're creating higher highs. So it would probably be a wise decision to pay attention to those tails. Okay, so this is a consolidation pattern. Which way are we going to break? There's no clear view of that at the moment. And I think for me, let's get rid of the noise. What we're looking for here, let's just move to the half hour, is pretty much I'm going to pick this fractal because this was done during the US market, but that's a fractal there. And then look what you have here. So you have some kind of a flat top triangle. We have a crossover the moving averages. So I'm looking for a break of 11,389, or alternatively a break to the downside below 11,308. That's kind of what I'm expecting us to range in this area though. And I suspect we're only going to really move in a direction late this afternoon. I'm not really convinced that the European session will move. Maybe wrong, but I think this is kind of the trend line that's going to be in place. Okay, so before we move on, let's just have a look at the current DAX futures is sitting at 11,344, and 11,344 is pretty much down here. So at this stage, we're looking at a gap down. Probably a gap down, and it's below this triangle. So if that maintains itself, then you've got to watch out for 11,308. But right now, I think the bias is probably to the short side. But there are violent pullbacks, so just be very careful. Okay, so levels to top is 11,389, and to the downside, we are looking for 11,308. A break either way will give me confirmation of the direction we're taking. But I would be wary of the shorts just based on these daily tails. Okay, I think actually it's probably a wise decision just to wait and see what happens until the US Open. Anyway guys, that's my take for today. Probably going to be sitting on hands with the DAX. Nothing that I really like here. And we'll catch up with you later. Enjoy the rest of your day, and cheers for now.